with part 2 on tips on dating a Jamaican man. If you are a girl from foreign America, Canada, wherever you come from, Jamaicans are very, very, very clean people. So that's something that you need to have an open mind of. Not saying that you're dirty, not saying that you're nasty or anything, but they clean on a whole nother level. So that's something that you need to be open-minded to. So, like for instance, if there's one fork in the sink, that's an issue for them. It may not be an issue for you, but that's something that you need to keep in mind of. Also, keeping up with your hygiene. That's not something that a grown woman should have to tell you, or a grown man should have to tell you, but keep up with your hygiene. If you didn't have nobody to teach you as a girl, as a little girl, learn now. Because one thing about Yachty, they like front, and you got to be ready at all times. So keeping up with your hygiene as a woman is a must. And eventually you'll learn it's a time and a place to be soft, and it's a time and a place to turn into a bad girl to him. So you're going to have to figure out your man to figure out how you are going to be able to approach certain situations. Also, sometimes Jamaican men have a hard time showing affection, and I mean not affection physically, but in their words. So some Jamaican men, they show their affection in doing. Well, he may not say all the words, but if he's doing things, if he's spending, if he's cooking, if he's cleaning, if he's doing things for you, bringing you things, that's his way of showing that he cares, and he loves you, because they may not be able to verbalize it that well. And if you are jealous, if you are controlling, if you are any of that, dating a Jamaican man is not going to be for you. They are very, very, very alpha male, very confident men, and you are not going to try to control them, period. They're going to do what they want to do when they want to do it. All right, I hope this helps.
Yeah, man, welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, man, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself. Yeah, man, so, as you actually hear in the video, this lady actually give tips, based on dating Jamaican men. Well, based on her experience, anyway, still I would actually say still. Yeah, man. So, the aim of the video today, yeah, man, women dating Jamaican men, So, I actually have some clips I actually kind of share with you guys. Yeah, man, kind of really interesting. Based on, women, especially like from overseas, For some man, well, yeah, this a video actually, me can say I feed man them way. Love foreign woman. Yeah, man. So, this video actually kind of explains still, different experiences, about Jamaican man. Or men, yeah, men I should actually say. Man. So, kind of just go through some clips and just kind of react off it, basically, still. Yeah, man, that are the whole conversation today. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself still. Yeah, man. One Gabidan Family TV, that is it. Alright, so we're not waste of time still. As I say, it's just a reaction, based on how American women actually, think about Jamaican men, Yeah, man. And on a whole. Yeah, man. So, I actually play this video. It's actually elderly. Not elderly, but big woman, and she actually talk about, advice on dating a younger Jamaican man. Yeah, man. So, this really interesting. So, I just play it and just see how she has it.
I've been married almost 10 years. I'm 21 years older than my husband, and he's from Jamaica. So there's a lot of stigma around that. But I get a lot of questions about age gap relationships, and I'm going to try to answer them in short videos. And this is probably the most asked question. What advice would you give me on dating a young Jamaican? And my answer is simple. Trust your gut. Ask yourself what attracts you to this younger person. And if you can realistically name things that don't have to do with sex, follow your heart. One of the things that drew me to my husband was that he made me feel safe. When I would visit him in Jamaica, he took care of me. He spent his own money. He always picked me up from the airport. He was adamant about me saving money and staying in his home, even though sometimes we would still stay in Airbnbs and resorts just because I wanted to. He was also very protective of me, and even when we got married, he had money to contribute to the cost of the wedding. So I'm not saying that everybody's going to be able to do that, but people also do what they want to do, so don't let that go over your head. Follow your heart, trust the process, but also be smart, just as if you're with someone your own age. Don't ignore the red flags. You also have to be in each other's presence in order to get to know each other. Get out of that giddy stage and really get to know that person. Is he too eager? Does he want you to do things for him? What is it that he likes about you? Is he asking you for money? Tell him that you're willing to move to Jamaica versus him coming to foreign and see what he says. What triggers him? Learn the language. I would also say allow it to be whatever it is, because you don't know if it's going to last for a season or a lifetime. You could just be having fun in the moment. But if it's leaning towards marriage, you have to be willing to take a risk. We always say winners are the ones who take risks, but then we put limits on risk when it comes to love. And if it's leaning towards marriage, you have to understand that there's going to be some differences. Age gap, cultural, and also understanding that you've lived some life that he's yet to live. So he's still growing into who he's called to be, and he may not be equipped with the knowledge that you would expect in someone your own age. Leaving Jamaica is also going to come with some responsibility, so talk about your goals and plans. What is the vision that he has for his future? Because it's half of what they see on the big screen. He has to work for the jewelry, designer clothes, and cars, but other things come first, like paying bills and learning about credit, working and building yourself up. Most importantly, you both have to be comfortable with the age gap, because other people will not be. I'm an advocate for love. If it's real, it's real, but you won't know unless you take the risk and be smart.
Yeah, man. So, what she's actually saying that, where growth is actually concerned. That person, where a younger man and a older woman is actually concerned. You have to actually grow up on the person, right? And share ideas and goals. Yeah, man. So it's all about compatibility. So at the end of the day, still, age is just a number, you know? Yeah, man. So, an American woman versus a Jamaican man, as she mentioned, there are things where you have to do, you have to adapt. You have to adapt to the culture, yeah. Because she did mention about culture. So it's actually two different culture, right? Two different culture. Ways of living and lifestyle and all of these things. Two different. Yeah, man. So, a lot of women actually, you know, they, me not lie, the foreign woman them love Jamaican man, me not lie. Because of vibes and full of energy and all of these things. Right? Yeah, man. But I hope you actually kind of get a bit of understand what she's actually saying. But for me, it's all about growth, understanding, having fun, you know. Yeah, man. And culture. Yeah, man. So we have to actually share something in common. Yeah, I hope that actually kind of cover everything still. Yeah, man. So we kind of go through another clip, guys. Yeah, man. So that is it. All right. So this next video is actually is an American woman. She's a white lady. Yeah, 'cause I'm actually looking at the video. Yeah, man. And she's actually gonna talk about Jamaican men. You know, the truth about dating a Jamaican man. So she's actually talking about her experience. You know, she's not actually randomly talking about anybody. She's actually talking about herself based on her experience. Yeah, man. So make we just go in on the video and hear what she has to say.
Seeing all these TikToks and all these videos on dating Jamaican men, Everybody wants to put their 2 cents in. Well, let me tell you about my 2 cents. Dating a Jamaican man, it ain't for the weak. You gotta have some thick skin and a strong heart. Let me explain. First of all, if you find you a nice, good Jamaican man, he's all about family and loyalty and trust. Yeah, man. He gonna love you to the end of the earth. No matter what you look like, if you're thin or fat, tall or short, skinny, thick, curvy, flat, he gonna love you and make you feel like you're the queen and make you feel so beautiful. Oh, they know how to compliment you now. They gonna love bomb you. They're very family oriented. They love their family. So if they love you or trust you or even like you enough to take you to see the family, that's out of respect. So appreciate it. No matter what his reasons are, if you meet his family, that's big respect for you. So understand that. That's a big thing for him to take you to meet his family. Jamaican men are very confident in everything they do, whether they're a mechanic or a banker. When they flirt with you and love bomb you, every job they do, doesn't matter if he's a painter, doesn't matter what he does, they're confident in everything and flamboyant. They're over the top. So if you're a quiet, reserved person and you don't like attention, they're not for you, because you're going to get all the attention in the world and they're going to get attention everywhere you go because they're outspoken. They speak from the heart and they always laugh and joke with each other in their patois and tease each other and banter back and forth. So you got to get used to the language and learn the language, because most of the time he's just fooling you and joshing you and joking you around. So if you have thin skin, they're not for you. Jamaican men know how to cook, honey. They will go do a full day's work and still come home and cook you a full meal and then do the dishes and rub your feet. Oh yeah, especially if you got you a good one. They love to cook. If you're a Jamaican man and you can't cook, you're not Jamaican. Let's get into the real deeds. Jamaican men are handsome as fuck, and they know it. Especially when they put on them skinny jeans, or if they have on all white or all black with them Air Force Ones. Baby, what? Gorgeous. Beautiful brown skin. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I know the comments are gonna come. Love me some Jamaican men. I have one, but I love me some Jamaican men. I do. They're gorgeous and they know how to dress. When they take you out, they not gonna go looking just any kind of way. They gonna get all the way clean. And they expect you to get clean. Now, if a Jamaican man approach you and you're not interested, you just say you're not interested. But if you're interested and you give this man your phone number, or you go together, you his woman now, if you just give him your phone number, you are now his woman. Especially if you let him come and stay the night. After y'all done had sex the first time, that's your husband. That's your husband. If y'all married, might as well give it up. You don't belong to nobody else but him. Like I said, they confident in everything they do. Everything. Jamaican men don't cheat. If they got the right one, they don't cheat. But if they're one, we call one of them hustlers, or them passport boys, or the beach boys, yeah. When you leave the country, you come here on vacation and you meet one, you have a wonderful time. Enjoy the time. True enough. Enjoy your vacation, sis. But just know, when you leave, another one coming in your place. New woman every week. That's just for them hustlers and passport boys and beach boys. If you meet them at a hotel or a beach or in a tourist area, 9 out of 10 times, they're a beach boy or a passport boy. Not all of them. Not all of them are like that. But you'll know when you see them. You'll know who's who. And just enjoy it for what it is and keep moving. Like I said, if you got thin skin, Jamaicans is not for you. Hey, tell me in the comments something I've missed about Jamaican men that you know.
Yes, guys. Yeah, man. So this was actually an American lady, giving her take based on, dating Jamaican men. Yeah, man. So, all of what you actually said, you can't say, well, that's how much you actually experience. Yeah, man. So, we Jamaicans, we down to earth. Well, yeah, when we come on, real Jamaican man, when we actually come on to a woman, we're genuine like that, you know? Yeah, man, and we're loving and we're caring and we're hardworking and we take care of a woman. So all of what she actually mentioned, it is so true. That is all real Jamaican men take care of their women, so to say, you know? Yeah, man. So that was actually, it was very educational as well, Yeah, man. Man them. Man them. Yeah, man. For all of the man them way, love the American women them. Yeah, man. So this is something actually be mindful about, loving and caring. Yeah, man. And love to cook. Yeah, man, and putting yourself together nice and clean, trim up and shave up and all of these things. Put on clean clothes and smell good. Yeah, man. So that was actually, that was very, yeah, man, that was very good. Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, me have one more video for actually play. Alright, so this actual clip is actually what is so special about dating a Jamaican man. And this person is actually an American woman. So we just kind of just play the clip and hear what she has to say.
Wagwan, guys. I just received a message in my inbox asking what is so special about Jamaican men. So I thought I would take a second to tell you guys, based on my own personal experience, my Jamaican man is incredible. I'm going to say it in general, like most Jamaican men know how to cook, they know how to clean, they know how to do the laundry, they won't stress you, they don't cheat, they're honest. And my Jamaican man, he is the best, guys. He's the best in the whole world. I'm so blessed to have him. He's the best cook on the planet. He's sweet. He's vulnerable. He's open. He talks to me about everything. He makes me step into my feminine energy. He knows how to lead. And he just makes me feel like the most beautiful person on the planet. So all this to say, if you have never dated a Jamaican man, give that guy a chance. Open up your inbox. Open up the DM. You might just fall in love.
Yes, guys. Yeah, man. So that was basically it, Yeah, man. So if you actually make it to this far in the video, yeah, man, just do the right thing, Yeah, man. Give the video a like. Yeah, man. Do appreciate it. Like, comment, and share. Yeah, man. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Yeah, man. So all of these things are said, Yeah, man. You learn a lot, based on different input from different women, based on the clips. Yeah, man. So everybody have a different experience. Yeah, man. So that was actually, dating a Jamaican man. Yeah, man. So all of these persons are basically, they're from overseas. And that is actually their take based on dating Jamaican men. Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, yeah, man, it was actually fun going through these clips with you. Yeah, man, it was a vibe. Yeah, man. So until the next video, yeah, man, just big up yourself. Just do the right thing. Yeah, man. Until come back with another interesting video. Yeah, man. Big up yourself and do the right thing. Yeah, man. One Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. I'm out. Bless up yourself.